Hey, you know what's crazy? Besides that I own a V12 now, and it's the biggest engine I've ever owned, and it's the only V12 I've ever owned, and I'll never get to hear it run because it's not going to. Well, like my job, I'm a manufacturing engineer, so a lot of my job is to think about the easiest way for the factory to put together something, like when they build stuff and things like that for a manufacturing company, because that's what I do. That's my job. So I got this Bmw V12 here, and it's got this interesting intake manifold that weaves together. As you see the intake runners, they just weave together like that. Well, as they attach to the heads, they got nuts on the top and the bottom of each runner, which, shoot, how do I turn the lights on? I don't know. Where's the light? I don't see a light button. It's down in there. There's one on the top, and there's one on the bottom here. Can I adjust? Nothing works. Is this here? What's going on? How do I make the thing work? Okay, whatever. There's nuts down there. Trust me. See, you can see it down there. Damn, finally. Anyway, so I can see easily, you know, the operator in the factory, he's attaching each one. Easy, no problem. For the top ones. The bottom ones, though, what kind of crazy tool is he using? Like this one at the end, it's a little bit tricky to get to. This one, though, how do you get to the bottom one on this runner? It's impossible. I can't even see it. And then some operator in the factory, he's got to hand start these, and then he's got to shoot them with the gun and not drop the stuff down into the intake manifold. It's not. Come on, BMW. You're trying to make something that can actually be manufactured and be built, and you make this, which not only can be. Sometimes you can make stuff that can be easily manufactured, but it's hard for a mechanic to work on because maybe they don't have specialized equipment, or it's extra work and stuff that's inaccessible once the truck's fully, or the vehicle's fully assembled. But on this, because engines get built up, you know, not in the car and everything like that. It's bad for everyone. It's bad for the plant. Bad for the mechanics. It's not good. I mean, I'm not very well accustomed to V engines. I'm kind of new to them. This is the first V engine that I've owned, and it turns out to be a V12. So I don't know if there's others that are like this. Maybe there are. Maybe this is a standard. I don't know. I don't think it is, but it just seems so difficult, unnecessarily difficult. You know what I mean? I can kind of see some of them, but man, that is tricky. Tricky. Well, I'm gonna be having fun with this.